इस वीडियो को देखने के बाद मैं पूरे यकीन के साथ कहता हूं कि आपके CS301 में इंशाअल्लाह बहुत अच्छे नंबर आएंगे। अब हज़ारों फाइल्स और हैंड आउट्स की परेशानी छोड़ें क्योंकि इस वीडियो में हमने फाइनल टर्म को मद्देनज़र रखते हुए सिर्फ उन अहम उन्वानात पर बात की है जहां से असल पेपर बनता है।
1. In a min heap, the smallest element is always located at A. Any leaf node. B. The root node. C. The rightmost node. D. The last internal node. Answer. B. In a min heap, the smallest element is always located at the root. Explanation. Heap property ensures parent is always smaller than children. 2. Which of the following is a stable sorting algorithm? A. Heap sort. B. Quick sort. C. Selection sort. D. Merge sort. Answer. D. Merge sort is a stable sorting algorithm. Explanation. Equal elements keep their original order after sorting. 3. In a hash table, separate chaining is used to handle A. Load factor reduction. B. Collision resolution. C. Bucket overflow. D. Hash function improvement. Answer. B. Separate chaining is used to handle collisions. Explanation. Colliding keys are stored in a linked list at the same index. 4. The worst-case time complexity of quicksort is A. O(n) log n. B. O(n) 2 C. O log n. D. O(n). Answer. B. Worst-case time complexity of quicksort is O(n) 2. Explanation. Happens when pivot selection is poor, already sorted array. 5. Which graph traversal uses a queue? A. Depth first search. DFS. B. Breadth first search. BFS. C. Both use a stack. D. None of these. Answer. B. BFS uses a queue. Explanation. Queue ensures level-by-level traversal. 6. In a binary search tree, BST, an in-order traversal gives A. Random order. B. Ascending sorted order. C. Descending order. D. Level-wise order. Answer. B. An order traversal of BSD gives ascending order. Explanation. Left, root, right traversal sorts elements. 7. The spanning tree of a connected graph with vertices has exactly A. N edges. B. N 1 edges. C. N plus 1 edges. D. N 2 edges. Answer. B. Spanning tree of N vertices has N 1 edges. Explanation. Minimum edges needed to keep graph connected. 8. Which data structure is most efficient for implementing priority queue? A. Linked list. B. Array. C. Heap. D. Stack. Answer. C. Heap is best for priority queue. Explanation. Insert and delete operations are efficient. 9. Dijkstra's algorithm is used to find A. Minimum spanning tree. B. Strongly connected components. C. Shortest path from a source vertex. D. Maximum flow. Answer. C. Dijkstra finds shortest path from a source. Explanation. It minimizes distance step by step. 10. In AVL tree, a node is considered balanced if the height difference of its left and right subtrees is A. At most 1. B. At most 2. C. 0. D. Equal to tree height. Answer. A AVL node is balanced if height difference is less than or equal to 1. Explanation. This keeps tree height logarithmic. 1. After inserting 50, 30, 80, 20, 40, 35 into an initially empty AVL tree, which rotation is performed when 35 is inserted. ALL rotation. B. RR rotation. C. LR rotation. D. RL rotation. Answer. C. Left subtree becomes right heavy, causing a left-right imbalance. 2. In hashing with quadratic probing, if hash x equals x mod 7 and table size is 7, which slot will key equals 23 occupy if slots 2 and 4 are already filled? A0. B1. C5. D6. Answer. B. In quadratic probing, where will key equals 23 be placed? Answer. B. Slot 1. Quadratic probing checks next square offset until a free slot is found. 1. Which rotation is performed in an AVL tree when the balance factor of a node becomes +2 and its left child's balance factor is -1? ALL rotation. B. RR rotation. C. LR rotation. D. RL rotation. Answer. C. LR rotation. Left heavy node with right heavy left child forms LR case. 2. The worst case time complexity of heap sort is A. O(n) log n. B. O(n) 2 C. O log n. D. O(n). Answer. A heap height is log n and n deletions are performed. 3. In double hashing with H1, K equals K mod 11 and H2, K equals 7, K mod 7, where will key 38 be placed if index 5 is occupied? A. 1B, 3C, 6D, 9. Answer. B. Index 3. Explanation. Second hash function provides step size to resolve collision. A stack B, QC, priority QD, disjoint set union. Answer. D. Disjoint set union. Explanation. DSU efficiently detects cycles during MSD construction. 5. In a complete binary max heap 90, 70, 80, 20, 60, 65, 75, after two delete max operations, what is the root? A. 70, B. 75, C. 80, D. 65. Answer. B. 75, the maximum elements are removed and heap is reheapified. 6. Topological sort can be performed using A. BFS only, B. DFS only, C. Both BFS and DFS, D. Neither BFS nor DFS. Answer. C. Both BFS and DFS. BFS uses Kahn's algorithm, DFS uses recursion stack. 7. In disjoint sets with union by rank, the maximum rank for a set with 16 elements is A3, B4, C5, D6. Answer. B4 rank increases logarithmically with number of elements. 8. Which algorithm is used to detect negative weight cycles in a graph? A. Dijkstra's, B. Prim's, C. Bellman-Ford, D. Kruskal's. Answer. C. Bellman-Ford extra relaxation detects negative cycles. 9. In open addressing with linear probing and load factor alpha equals 0.9, the worst-case search complexity is A01B, O-log and CON, DON2. Answer. CON, high load factor causes long probe chains. 10. In a B-tree of order 5, the minimum number of keys in a non-root internal node is A1, B2, C3, D4. Answer. B2 minimum keys, M/2-1 for non-root nodes. 1. In AVL tree insertion, which rotation is applied when the balance factor of node A becomes +2 and its left child B has balance factor. ALLB RRC LRD RL. Answer. C. Left child is right heavy, so left-right LR rotation is applied. 2. The time complexity of building a heap from n unsorted elements is AON log and BON C, O log and DON2. Answer. B heap can be built in linear time using bottom-up heapify. 3. In double hashing with mod 11 and H2K equals 7K mod 7, where will key 38 be placed if index 5 is occupied and index 3 is free? A1, B3, C6, D9. Answer. B second hash provides step size and index 3 is the first free slot. 4. Which algorithm always gives the correct shortest path even with negative weight edges? A. Dijkstra's, B. Prim's, C. Bellman-Ford, D. Kruskal's. Answer. C. Bellman-Ford relaxes edges repeatedly and handles negative weights. 5. In a max heap of 100 elements, the fifth largest element can be at A. Only leaf level, B. Only root, C. Anywhere in heap D first 3 levels. Answer. C. Heap only guarantees parent-child order, not exact positions. 6. The worst-case time complexity of quicksort occurs when A. Pivot is median, B. Array is sorted, C. Array has duplicates, D. Pivot is smallest. Answer. B. Already sorted array causes unbalanced partitions. 7. For a graph with V vertices and E edges, the space complexity of adjacency list representation is AOV, BOE, COV plus EDOV2. Answer. C8. In disjoint sets with union by rank and path compression, the amortized time per operation is AO log n, BO alpha n, CO1 DON. Answer. B. Union by rank and path compression make operations nearly constant. 9. Which sorting algorithm is not in place? A. Heap sort, B. Merge sort, C. Quick sort, D. Insertion sort. Answer. B. Merge sort requires extra auxiliary memory. 10. In B-tree of order 5, the maximum number of children a node can have is A4, B5, C6, D7. Answer. B. Maximum children equals order of the B-tree. 11. Topological sorting can be performed using A. BFS only, B. DFS only, C. Both BFS and DFS. D. Heap sort. Answer. C. BFS, cons, and DFS both can generate topological order. 12. The load factor in hashing is defined as A. Number of slots slash number of keys, B. Number of keys slash number of slots, C. Number of collisions slash number of keys, D. Number of probes slash number of keys. Answer. B. Load factor is ratio of stored keys to table size. 13. Which graph algorithm uses a greedy approach for minimum spanning tree? A. Dijkstra's, B. Kruskal's, C. Bellman-Ford, D. Topological sort. Answer. B. Kruskal selects minimum weight edges greedily. 14. In a binary search tree, the successor of a node with 2 children is found in A. Left subtree, B. Right subtree, C. Parent node, D. Root. Answer. B. Successor lies in the leftmost node of right subtree. 15. The height of an AVL tree with n nodes is A. O log n, B. O and C. O square root n, D. O n log n. Answer. A AVL tree remains balanced, keeping height logarithmic. 16. Which hashing technique suffers from primary clustering? A. Separate chaining. B. Linear probing. C. Quadratic probing. D. Double hashing. Answer. B. Linear probing forms long, continuous clusters. 17. A complete graph with n vertices has how many edges? A. N1, B. NN1/2, C. N2, D2, and answer. B. Every vertex connects with all others once. 18. The time complexity of Dijkstra's algorithm with Fibonacci heap is A. OV2, B. OE log V, C. OV log V plus ED OVE. Answer. C. Decrease key becomes efficient, reducing total time. 19. In a min heap, the kth smallest element can be found in time. A. OK log KB, O log and CON, D O1. Answer. A using auxiliary heap gives K log K complexity. 20. Which data structure is most efficient for priority queue implementation? A. Linked list, B. Array, C. Heap, D. Stack. Answer. C. Heap supports fast insert and delete based on priority. 1. In AVL trees, a node with balance factor is considered balanced. A -2 -1 0 1 2 B -1 0 1 C 0 only D or 2. Answer. B. Balance factor -1 0 or +1 keeps the tree height balanced. 2. The worst case time complexity of Dijkstra's algorithm with a binary heap is A. OV2 B OV plus E log V C OV log V D OE log V. Answer. B. Each extract min and edge relaxation costs log V time. 3. Is a collision resolution method where each bucket is a linked list. A. Linear probing, B. Quadratic probing, C. Separate chaining, D. Double hashing. Answer. C. Each table index stores a linked list of collided keys. For a sorting algorithm that divides the array into 3 parts is called A. Merge sort, B. Heap sort, C. Three-way quicksort, D. Bubble sort. Answer. C. Three-way quicksort handles elements less, equal, and greater than pivot. 5. The minimum number of nodes in an AVL tree of height 4 is A. 7 B 12 C 15 D 20. Answer. B. Minimum nodes follow Fibonacci-like growth. 6. In Kruskal's algorithm, data structure is used to detect cycles. A. Stack, B. Q, C. Disjoint set union, D. Priority Q. Answer. C. Disjoint set union checks whether vertices belong to same set. 7. The process of rearranging a heap to maintain heap property is called A. Balancing, B. Sorting, C. Heapify, D. Merging. Answer. C. Heapify restores heap order after insertion or deletion. 8. In a B-tree of order M, each internal node can have at most children. A. M. B. M1C, D. 2M. Answer. A order M defines the maximum number of children. 9. A graph traversal that uses a queue is A. Depth first search, B. Breadth first search, C. Both A and B. D. None of these. Answer. B. BFS explores vertices level by level using a queue. 10. The load factor in hash tables is calculated as A. Number of keys / table size, B. Table size / number of keys, C. Number of collisions / table size, D. Number of probes / number of keys. Answer. A load factor equals number of keys divided by table size. 11. In a min heap, the smallest element is always at the A. Leftmost leaf, B. Rightmost leaf, C. Root, D. Any leaf node. Answer. C. Heap property guarantees smallest element at root. 12. For a connected undirected graph with V vertices, a spanning tree has exactly edges. A. V. B. V1 C. D. V/2. Answer. B. A spanning tree connects all vertices with minimum edges. 13. Which algorithm uses the divide and conquer strategy? A. Insertion sort, B. Merge sort, C. Bubble sort, D. Selection sort. Answer. B. Merge sort divides array and merges sorted halves. 14. In disjoint sets, the purpose of path compression is to A. Balance the tree, B. Reduce the height of the tree, C. Increase search speed, D. Both B and C. Answer. D. It reduces tree height and speeds up future searches. 15. A graph with no cycles is called A. Complete graph, B. Cyclic graph, C. Tree, D. Dense graph. Answer. C. A tree is an acyclic connected graph. 16. The average case time complexity of quicksort is A. O(n) log n, B. O(n) 2 C. O log n, D. O(n). Answer. A balanced partitions lead to n log n comparisons. 17. In hashing with open addressing, when a collision occurs, we A. Store in a linked list, B. Find the next available slot, C. Discard the key, D. Increase table size. Answer. B. Algorithm searches for the next empty slot. 18. The time complexity of heap sort is A. O(n) B. O(n) log n, C. O log n, D. O(n) 2. Answer. B. N deletions from heap each take log n time. 19. In topological sorting, if there is an edge from U to V, then U appears VA after B before C at same position as D independent of answer. B source vertex must appear before destination vertex. 20. Which of the following is not a stable sorting algorithm? A. Merge sort. B. Bubble sort. C. Quick sort. D. Insertion sort. Answer. C. Quick sort may change relative order of equal elements. 1. In AVL tree deletion, which rotation is applied when the balance factor of a node becomes, and its right child has balance factor plus 1. A. LL rotation. B. RR rotation. C. LR rotation. D. RL rotation. Answer. D. Right-left imbalance requires RL rotation. 2. The time complexity to find the minimum element in a max heap of size n is A01B, O log n C O n, D O n log n. Answer. C. Minimum can be anywhere among leaf nodes. 3. In quadratic probing, if the hash function is hk equals k mod 10 and index 3 is occupied, where will key 23 be placed? A4, B5, C6, D7. Answer. A next probe checks index 3 plus 12 equals 4, 4, which graph algorithm cannot handle negative weight edges. A. Dijkstra's. B. Bellman-Ford. C. Floyd-Warshall. D. Kruskal's. Answer. A Dijkstra assumes all edge weights are non-negative. 5. In a binary search tree, the in-order successor of a node with 2 children is found in its A. Left subtree. B. Right subtree. C. Parent node. D. Ancestor node's. Answer. B. Successor is leftmost node of right subtree. 6. The space complexity of merge sort is A01B, O log n C O n, D O n 2. Answer. C. Extra array of size n is required. 7. A graph with all vertices having even degree is called A. Eulerian graph. B. Hamiltonian graph. C. Complete graph. D. Bipartite graph. Answer. A Eulerian graph allows traversal of every edge exactly once. 8. In disjoint sets, union by rank ensures the tree height is A. O log n. B. O n C O 1 D O n log n. Answer. It prevents tree from becoming too tall. 9. Which is not a comparison-based sorting algorithm? A. Quick sort. B. Heap sort. C. Counting sort. D. Merge sort. Answer. C. Counting sort uses frequency counting, not comparisons. 10. In B tree of order 5, the minimum number of keys in the root node is A1, B2, C3, D4. Answer. A root node can have at least one key. 11. The topological order of a directed acyclic graph, DAG, is A. Unique. B. Not unique. C. Always sorted. D. Reverse of DFS order. Answer. B. Multiple valid orders can exist for the same DAG. 12. In separate chaining, if the hash table has 10 slots and 20 keys, the average chain length is A1, B2, C 0.5, D10. Answer. B. Average chain length equals number of keys, number of slots. 13. Prim's algorithm for MSD uses which data structure for efficiency? A. Stack. B. Q. C. Priority. Q. D. Linked list. Answer. C. Priority. Q selects minimum weight edge efficiently. 14. The height of a complete binary tree with n nodes is A. O log n. B. O n C O square root n. D O n log n. Answer. A complete tree grows logarithmically with nodes. 15. Which hashing method eliminates primary clustering? A. Linear probing. B. Quadratic probing. C. Double hashing. D. Separate chaining. Answer. C. Double hashing uses a second hash to spread keys evenly. 16. The number of edges in a complete graph with 10 vertices is A. 10, B. 45, C. 90, D. 100. Answer. B. Complete graph has nn-1/2 edges. 17. The time complexity of Floyd-Warshall algorithm is A. OV2, B. OV3, C. OV log V. D. OVE. Answer. B. 3 nested loops over vertices cause cubic time. 18. In a min heap, the kth smallest element can be found by A. Performing k deletement operations. B. Searching the leaves. C. Using quick select. D. Both A and C. Answer. D. Deletemin or quick select can retrieve kth smallest. 19. Which data structure is used in DFS traversal? A. QB stack. C. Heap. D. Priority. Q. Answer. B. DFS uses stack either explicitly or via recursion. 20. The load factor for a hash table with 50 slots and 40 keys is A. 0.8, B. 1.25, C. 0.4, D. 0.6. Answer. A load factor equals 40 divided 50 equals 0.8.